this power supply was dropped and the plug broke, and now it's not safe to plug it in anymore. So a quick fix is to pull it out, drill a hole somewhere in the middle. There shouldn't be any wires there or anything, just the plastic. Like that, and put in a screw. Ooh, come on. With a screwdriver, of course. Come on. We practiced. Like that. You just drive it in. It's nice and soft plastic, so we didn't hit anything important. And it works. The main thing to remember is that the plug is now thicker, so you can't insert it into a thin outlet. So I will attempt to plug it in here and let's see what happens. Come on. And it works. Works. Let's check the amperage, voltage, whatever. How can we check quickly? Where did I put my multimeter, Mom?
I don't know, son. You put it somewhere in the garbage.
Oh, okay. Here it is. So, yeah. Wait. Yeah, set it to voltage. 26. It should be 21, but whatever. That's not my fault. I fixed it.